21st of June 2022. We have Nikkarinkuja, Nikkarinkuja 2. Steaks be here in Leppävaara, Alberta, Espoo, Helsinki, Espoo region, Finland. The capacity is 4 persons of 305 grams. But I still need to get to the steaks as AMC later.
Yeah.
The code is completely impossible. There is a floor. This is K. P is the lower one. There's no stairs to floor P here.
Yeah.
Let's check it. So it was built in early 1988 because it was built 1987 to 88. But this is one of the first in Finland. But it wasn't 87, but still close. This number is 430707. And when it will be inspected it next year, 2023, when it will be 35 years old.
Yeah.
But still to rise, of course. I like this orange color here.
Same.
And if I check the basement right away.
Yeah. Broccoli, we have to try it.
Yes.
Inspired maintained by Spanish.
This one has nice sounds.
Yeah. Strange.
Strange. Strange.
Yeah.
Excuse me. That's it. Thank you very much for watching. I will try to get to the steak to see I see it through the
Yeah.
through the garage.
That's